Hey guys, welcome to my next video of Bash shell scripting tutorial for beginners. Now let's get started. So today we'll learn how to use the select statement in Bash. The select statement allows us to create easy menus. So I'll show you the syntax now. If you notice, the syntax is quite similar to that of the for loop. Now let's see with an example. Now let's save and run this. So as you can see here, it has already created a menu. So now let's enter 1. It prints BMW selected. If I enter 2, Bentley is selected. And if I enter 3, Audi selected. So this is the main reason to use the select statement in Bash. It allows us to create easy menus. The select statement in Bash is often combined with the case statement. Let's see an example. Now let's save and run this. So as you can see here, this is how you can use the case statement combined with the select statement. This combination can be very helpful when you have to deal with complex logics. Now let's see what a break and a continue statement does. Now let's save and run this. So it has printed 1 to 5. Now let's see how this works. So first the value of I is initialized to 1. It checks if I is less than equal to 10. The condition is true. Then it comes here. Then it checks if the value of I, which is 1, is greater than 5, the condition is false, so it gets out. And it prints the value of I, which is 1, then it goes back up. The value of I gets incremented to 2. 2 is less than 10, the condition is true, it comes back here. 2 is not greater than 5, the condition is false, so it prints 2, then it comes back up, 3, 4, and when it comes to 5, it checks if 5 is greater than 5, it's false, it again prints 5, then it goes up. Now the value of I will be incremented to 6. 6 is less than equal to 10, the condition is true, it comes here. Now it checks 6 is greater than 5, yes. So when it is greater than 5, then break. So what does this break statement do? The break is used to exit the current loop before its normal termination. So right now this for loop is going on. So when it encounters break over here, it completely exits out. So as 6 is greater than 5, the condition becomes true and it breaks out of the loop. So here it's printing 1 to 4. This is because on the fifth encounter, when 5 is equal to 5, it breaks out of the loop. Now let's see how to use the continue statement. Now let's save and run this. So if you notice here, it has printed 1 to 10, but 5 is missing over here. So now let's see how this works. First, the value of I becomes 1. The condition is true. The condition is false here. Then it prints 1. The value of I gets incremented to 2. The condition is true. It checks here, this condition is false. It prints and it goes on till 5. So when I becomes 5, this condition becomes true. 5 is equal to 5. Then continue. So what happens is it will skip that particular iteration alone. It does not get out of the loop, but it skips that particular iteration. So 5 is equal to 5. Then it continues back here. It goes back here. Now the value of I becomes 6. It again checks the condition is true. It checks this condition is false. Then it comes down, print 6. That is how we got this output. So I hope you have understood how to use these select, continue and break statements. So thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.